You walk into a room, say, "Hey guys," and the mood instantly dies. Awkward silence, people look away. But someone else says the same words, and suddenly everyone lights up. Why? Some people just radiate charisma. Today, we're breaking down the psychology behind that magnetic charm and how you can develop it too. Before we dive in, support our journey into the human mind. Like and subscribe to Dark Mind. Number 1. The microwave smile trick. You know that moment when someone gives you a quick fake smile that looks like they're auditioning for a toothpaste commercial? Yeah, your brain hates that. Research shows humans can spot a fake smile in under half a second. Real smiles activate the zygomatic major and orbicularis oculi. That's the fancy way of saying your eyes crinkle and your face looks like it's actually feeling joy. So here's your charisma hack. Wait half a second before smiling. Let your expression heat up like a microwave warming leftovers. That delay makes your smile appear authentic, relaxed, and confident, not desperate. Fake smiles scream, "I need validation." Real smiles whisper, "I'm comfortable here." And guess which one people trust more? Be the microwave, not the flash camera. Number 2, speak like you're painting, not printing. Imagine a person talking in one tone, no pauses, no rhythm, no life. It's like listening to a printer. Now imagine someone who plays with pace, pitch, and pauses. They make even grocery lists sound dramatic. That's vocal charisma. Studies show people judge confidence and intelligence based on vocal variety, not actual words. Here's the science. When your tone fluctuates, your listener's amygdala, the emotion center, pays more attention. Monotone voices don't trigger emotional engagement. So instead of saying, "I think that's a good idea," say it like, "I think that's a good idea." Add rhythm, add color, add flavor. Remember, printers deliver information, painters deliver emotion, and charisma lives in emotion. Number 3, the slow blink of power. And this one sounds ridiculous, but stay with me. Ever notice how powerful people in movies, interviews, or real life blink slowly and rarely? It's not because they have superhuman eyelids. It's because calm people blink slower. Fast blinking equals anxiety. Slow blinking equals control. When you talk to someone and maintain steady, relaxed eye contact with a calm blink rate, your brain sends a message, "I'm not nervous, you are safe, I'm in charge." It's like your eyelids are silently doing a TED Talk on confidence. So next time you're in a conversation, slow your blink. Just don't go full serial killer stare. Find that sweet spot between Zen master and AI malfunction. Power isn't loud. Sometimes it's just a well-timed blink. Number 4, mirror, don't mimic. Picture this. Someone copies your gestures exactly. You cross your arms, they cross theirs. You lean back, they lean back. You'd probably think, okay, this person's studying me for a crime. But if they subtly reflect your energy, that's charisma. It's called the chameleon effect, a subconscious psychological phenomenon where people like those who mirror them. Your brain interprets it as, hey, this person gets me. Here's the catch. Mirroring must be natural, not robotic. Match their vibe, not their every move. If they speak softly, lower your tone a little. If they're animated, let your gestures breathe more. People don't remember your words. They remember how it felt being around you. And when someone feels seen, they'll see you as magnetic. Number 5, the pause before power. Ever wonder why great speakers like Obama or Morgan Freeman can say something simple and it sounds profound? They pause. Psychologically, silence creates anticipation. Your listener's brain leans in, craving the next word. The Zeigarnik effect, our tendency to remember incomplete moments, keeps their attention locked until you finish. So when you talk, use pauses strategically. You know what the biggest charisma killer is? Talking too much. Boom, the pause amplified the punchline. Don't rush your sentences. Let your words land, breathe, and echo. Because charisma isn't about saying more. It's about making people feel more. We're halfway through the psychology of charm. So far, you've learned to smile like a microwave, speak like a painter, blink like a boss, mirror like a chameleon, and pause like a philosopher. But the final tips are the secret sauce, the ones that turn confident into magnetic. Number 6, the confidence leak. Body language that talks before you do. Let's play a quick game. Imagine two people standing before you. Person A looks around nervously, crosses their arms, and fidgets with their phone. Person B stands tall, hands visible, relaxed shoulders, calm breathing. You already know who you'd rather talk to, and you haven't even heard a single word. That's because body language communicates dominance or insecurity long before you open your mouth. Your nonverbal cues make up about 60 to 90% of how others judge your confidence, according to psychologist Albert Mehrabian. So, here's the trick. Before entering a social setting, take a second to reset your posture. Shoulders back, chin up, not too high, you're not a peacock. Hands visible and open. When your body says, "I'm comfortable," people's brains pick it up instantly. You'll appear calm, trustworthy, and, here's the key word, charismatic. Charisma isn't about posing like a confident person. It's about feeling confident enough to pose naturally.